Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about this Feijoa seed in Garden Game App Roblox Summer Camp Event Update. Okay, before we check the base value of this plant, I'm going to show you guys how you can unlock the Feijoa seed. You can get the seed by crafting, and you need to reach tier 5 to craft this Feijoa seed. And these are what you need to prepare to craft the seed. You need mango seed, and then rare egg, master sprinkler, and also elder strawberry, and 20 million shekels. And this Feijoa seed is a defined seed. And okay, now let's check the base value, guys. How much this is worth. Okay. So it's around 25k shekels. And I'm going to show you how the plant looks like. It's a tree. This one. This one is the Feijoa tree. And I think it's not really worth to craft this tree because it's hard to get, the ingredients are hard to get, especially the elder strawberry. But you can ask your friend. Yeah, if your friend have if your friends have the elder strawberry, you can try to ask. And also for this grandmaster, master sprinkler, but for this master sprinkler you need to buy it yourself from the gear shop. Okay guys, and that's all about the Feijoa seed inventory garden game after blog summer update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.